What if USDC could only be unlocked with math? No judges, no multisigs, no human approval. That's what I built recently called ArcZK. Whole title says pay with USDC when approved proves the work. The whole application goes like this. You post a task, then someone claims it, then someone answers what you expected, and the reward goes to them. Let's see a whole workflow through this. Let's connect a wallet. I've used Wallet Connect or Reon model over here because you can also connect with mobile devices. What happens is you have to post a task over here. This is one of the tasks I post recently. Let me post like what's arc and let us put like L1 over here with a reward of something like let's go with 3 USDC with a deadline of 2 hours. So we are seeing here something called hashed by a Poseidon. Poseidon is something that used for ZK verified hashes. I could have gone with Keccak 256, but Keccak 256 is like too complex of mathematical encryption. That's why I went with Poseidon. So it's pretty simple compared to Keccak 256. So we'll lock USDC here. Post this. First, we have to get the approval of the 3 USDC. Then you can go post this with another pop-up again over here. So what happens is there'll be 2 pop-up coming over here. This is because I've deployed 4 contracts separately. One is for WorkRegistry for the escrow separately, and one is to post this. So what happens is it posts via the hash thing. This is where you can see I've posted. Also, you can view it on the Explorer as well. So what happens is when you post, there'll be something called open task where anyone or any agent can claim this. Agent means here like a human being. It doesn't mean it has to be an AI agent, especially it's human over here. With that, you can see claim. If you claim yourself, it doesn't even make sense, so it doesn't work like that. Let's go to another browser with another wallet. Let's connect over there. I'm connecting with MetaMask over here. I'm connecting here. Yeah, I've connected. You could see that escrow changed to $3, which does mean that it is being active for $3. And that is here. We are seeing here what's ARC. Also, I've connected with my wallet over here. I'm claiming this. To claim this, I have to pay a basic USDC fee, which is of like probably based on the network timing and network, like the congestion. But it's pretty much low, usually 0.001 or something like that. And after I click on claim and what's ARC, that's what the question is. Also, if I fail to answer the question within the timeline, the escrow will hold the USDC and the poster who posted the question can claim the USDC again. Let's put over here. We've entered L1, but let's try entering L2 over here. Let's click on generate and submit proof. What happens when I click on generate and submit proof is it load the WASM over here. WASM is something that loads the Circom circuit of ZK circuit. And after the WASM is loaded, then there'll be the Groth16 ZK proofs. They'll be loaded in real time, matching the salt and ZK hash produced when we post a question in some other we post over here in a Brave browser, that value will be posted on chain, and it will compare with that and make sure if both values are equal. If the both values are equal, you could see that you could have seen here that the transaction would have passed, but here it failed because we didn't enter the right answer. So what happens over here is as it fail error interpreted as completion proof. So let's try entering the right answer again. We are entering right answer over here L1 and we are clicking on generate and submit proof. Yeah, if it is right, it will check with the hash value that's been generated with the salt over there. And if it is right, only then it'll be calling your wallet to make sure to submit the transaction. After you submit the transaction, this transaction is to just submit the transaction fee for the USDC settlement. If it is successful, you'll get the USDC in your wallet. That's it. This is how it basically works. The whole process is that you could just post the question and the answer will not be revealed because it is hashed with ZK with Poseidon, and there is a separate of 4 contacts that working for one for settlement, one for escrow and service. one for Groth16, and the whole majority of the process lies on the snarkjs thing, which is loaded in the browser. It will verify your hash value on the browser. It doesn't go on the server side. That's what the intelligent process over here is. And if it is successful, you will get the balance over here in your wallet. If you could check it on on-chain also, it will be there. So, we could see that a contract interaction was working and my balance is 37, which is like I got the 3 USDC right now. And that's how it works. You could try this and make yourself of any questions, or you could conduct any quiz competition or a trivia, something on this, and reward someone who could potentially answer your or whatever question you post on chain or via this app. So that's how the whole process goes like. And hope you like this process and this application. That's it.